In this lesson, we will discuss some errors which we face in Microsoft Excel. So first error is this hashtag or number sign. If you will see these signs, so how to resolve this error and what is the meaning of this error? It means the numbers which we have written here cannot fit in column D, or the width of this column is small, right? So the easiest way is, so see these hashtags are on D column. Bring your insertion point here and double click, and you can see it is automatically adjusted according to the size of the numbers. This is one way, but there are two or three other ways which we already discussed, how to increase or decrease the width. I will show you quickly again. If you want more width, so just press and hold and drag it. You will see the width of this column is increased. But if you will double click, right, it will adjust according to the size of the numbers. Our second error is this error. If you are not sure what type of these errors are, so what you have to do, just click on the error and check the formula bar, what the formula says. Formula we have used here, H4. This is H4. 1000 is written on H4 divided by H5, but our H5 is blank. We do not have anything. That is why you will face this type of error. As soon as I will write down something here and press enter, you will see this error is resolved. So what was the error? This cell was blank. Right? Now, our third and fourth error are same. Number sign name and question mark, hashtag name and question mark. What is the difference between these two errors? If you are not sure what I said, click on the error and check the formula bar. In formula bar it says it is the addition of K4, K5 and K6. Instead of K5, by mistake I have written KK. This is the error. When I will click here, see this is highlighted because this cell reference is wrong. Make it 5 and you will see the error is gone. Now what is problem with this same error name? Click here and check the formula bar. As I have used the sum function here, but the spelling of sum is wrong. So SOM, it should be SUM. Correct it. You will see our error has gone again. How simple it is. Now check this error. What is the meaning of this error? See, click here, value, and you will see here G13, G14, 15 and 16. We have added these three numbers, but this G16 is the text. That is why you can face this value error. If you will remove this, or if you will write down some number here, this error will be resolved. So I am going to delete this. Now it will show, it will give us the answer of these three, addition of these three. So here we were trying to add some text and numbers which was wrong. And here is, see, 50, 60, 70, 80, I want to add this, but the total is 0. Click here, see it is 0. Now what is the problem? The problem is that we are going to add D13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we want to take the output. By mistake I have written D17 as well, that I want to add some. There is nothing, so I am going to delete this D17. Now you can see the addition of these four cells. Our last error is sometimes you will face hashtag and reference. Now what is the error? Click on the error. See here it says that 60, 70, 80 we want to add. If you will see this kind of error, it means by mistake we have deleted something. So here there was something number here which I deleted by mistake. If I will write down suppose 20 here, right, 20 and click here, instead of this I can remove this and here I can add this 20, enter, you will see the output is there. Right, I will show you one more time. What is the this meaning? It means there was something by mistake we have deleted some rows or columns. So another way is, if you want to add these three, you do not want to write down again something there, so you have to delete this reference from your formula. And see, now press enter. Sorry, it should be plus here, right? and now we have the output of this. So I hope it is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.